this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with the small haul. The small haul is from Walmart and Dollar Tree, you guys. So I went into Walmart to do my weekly grocery shopping, and of course it's a Walmart with items, household items and items like a superstore. There you go. It's called a superstore. Anyway, so I was usually do my walkthroughs to see what's new, and you guys, I found this. Isn't this cute? So I got this. It's from the Pioneer Woman, and it is an awesome cute little spoon rest, and I am not planning to use this as a spoon rest. I am planning to use this to place my crafty items once yeah, once I have some in. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I love it. This was the only color I did see. Again, I'm not too sure if I've already mentioned. It was $2.88, which I thought was an amazing deal. And it is so cute, and it's just like you could just put your stuff in there and yay. And that is so cute. I also went through the Christmas items section. You guys, oh my goodness, I was so surprised. Like, my aisles are going empty at my Walmart, but I did manage to find these, you guys. Oh my goodness, aren't these cute? These are like ornaments, and what I figured, I could put a bow up here, and OMG. So these, sorry, my sweater's in the way. These were 98 cents, you guys. So I thought this was well worth it. It is pretty big. It is a, let me see, about 5 and a little under 5, 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And yeah, I thought this was a nice deal. So these are the ones that I got. They did have other ones, but I thought these were the cutest. I do like vintagey, so I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get these. So I got that one, and then I also got this one. This one is a square one. So how cute is that? And then I got this one. I love this one. And then this one right here. Truck. So I have these right here, you guys. Amazing deal for 98 cents. So also, if you guys have not seen these, I also got these for 98 cents, and aren't these the cutest? Oh my goodness. So this would have been amazing for a kid's like Santa letter thing. You know, you put this maybe on a little clipboard or something, or I mean, there's so many, the possibilities of doing something with this is endless. First thing I thought of is kids Christmas mail. So oh my goodness, so you know, just basically do like these, you guys, sign and something on the bottom, you know, with kids stuff. Oh my goodness, I mean, my imagination's going off on that, but just can't explain it, can't throw it out. I also found this right here, you guys. This is oh my gosh, I want to say it's lifted, I don't know how to say it, but oh my gosh, isn't that cute? And like I said, you can put a bow on this one as well. And then also this one is the same thought I have on this one. But I really love this one. This one was my favorite. I love this one as well. I like that the words are, you know, in, I mean, it's cut off. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. But oh my goodness, and so is this one. This one is as well. Should have gotten me more, but oh my goodness, and maybe next time I go in there and if I see more, I will get more of these because I love that. Anyways, that's it for Walmart, you guys. I love what I got. And anyways, so I did stop by at Dollar Tree, and then I did do a repurchase, you guys. My repurchase, of course, is this right here. Oh my goodness, these are amazing to have. I had all the ones that I had on hand. I actually used them. These are the, let me see, you guys could see the organizers, 8 by 6.1 by 2 and 7, 2 by, I can't even talk. Anyway, so you guys get what I'm saying. So height wide is about 2.75 inches, and then so I had a whole bunch of these. I didn't think I was going to use them, and I ended up using them. I've been redoing my craft room little by little, and every time I'm trying to go to Dollar Tree. I'm trying to get these right here. So I just got 2 this time. Hopefully they have some more next time I go in. It's a hit and miss with Dollar Tree on my end because, of course, they always sell out of everything. They have nothing. As soon as it's out, it's gone. I was able to find these right here. This is a repurchase because I do have some of these. So I got these because of the strawberries. And, of course, you know, spring swaps that are coming up. Hopefully I can use these. And I found that one. So I got those. And then that is basically it. I did, oh wait, I have 3 more items. I did find these baskets, you guys. These are huge baskets. These are like the, oh my goodness, I can't even, I'll try to put it, insert a picture somewhere in here so you guys can see. But these are like the little, they kind of remind me like a sand basket, you know, you could take to the beach. And these are the measurements. It's a 18 by 5 by 8 inches and by 13 inches. So basically, I believe this is the lengthwise right here is 13 inches. The depth, or not depth, but the sideways. Oh my goodness. I wish I could show you guys completely how it looks like, but it is an amazing, cute little basket. And it was $3, you guys. So I did get me 2. I figured, you know, my thought was put yarn in here, or my crafty 12 by 12 paper pads in here. That was mostly my idea for these. That's what I'm thinking of doing, because when you're crafting, sometimes I have my papers everywhere, and this is an awesome way of using them. Like I said, I will insert a picture somewhere in here, you guys. I also found these, you guys. These are cute. Oh my goodness. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? So I like the idea that it is a lunch pail. So aren't these cute? I did see somebody haul these yesterday at a YouTube video. I do not remember who it was, but I thought they were so cute, and I was so happy to find some. So I found that one. I found this one. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And does it say the measurements? It does not say the measurements. So these are about 5.5 by 4, little over 4. And then of course the depth in it is about 2.5. So cute to have. Figured you could put oh my god, hot chocolate in here with some marshmallows, you know, some crepe, not crepe paper, but you know, the little, yeah, the crepe paper. And then, you know, a gift card, you know, to send out to somebody. So I found that one. I got me that one as well. I found this one right here. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. But I did fall in love with this one a lot more. I should have gotten more, and I only got these. And then I also found this one, which is so cute. Oh my goodness. Here is the other one. How cute is that? So, and then the last thing I did get was these. These are gift boxes. These are 5 of them, and they will measure by 5 by 5 by 2. So nice size. Oh my goodness, I was surprised to find these, because I don't think I could find any of these. So yeah, that is it for my haul, you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Hopefully, if you guys are looking for any of these items, you guys are able to find them. I know some Dollar Trees are very hard to keep items or get items. I know, I've been there. So good luck to you guys, and hopefully yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.